Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. This is a good opportunity to show you what we do inside this chassis, insulated fully. What we do is we put a reflective barrier all along the outside and bottom, then a batting insulation to protect your holding tanks throughout all the seasons. So we put 3 forms of heat in there. You can see that we duct air into this chassis cavity. Also, you get the radiant heat from all the duct work. You also get heating pads put on all your holding tanks. So hey, this is what we do with our chassis. We put an insulated floor on top of this so you get a nice protected cavity from the elements. So hey, give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.